I tried sleeping in a Walmart parking lot again last night. Two problems. Someone showed up at the construction site next door, building another shop of some sort. Probably overnight delivery. And they made so much noise last night, for about half an hour, in the middle of the night. That woke me up. But worse than that, my battery isn't holding a strong enough charge to last the night. My furnace kicked on for maybe an hour, and then it didn't have enough battery power. So I turned off the furnace and said, I'll just survive with multiple blankets. No. And then at some point around, it's like 6:30 now, sometime around 3 or 4 o'clock this morning, the battery finally got so low. So before I got cut off by my GoPro's battery dying, yeah, my trailer battery doesn't have enough charge anymore to keep it going through the night, and that means I need a new battery. I was afraid I damaged the battery a couple of different times where when the battery got below 50% capacity, mostly because I forgot to disconnect a bunch of stuff when I was just sitting idle for a couple of days to a couple of weeks. So yeah, it looks like I need a new RV battery. Yay. So I was cold last night, and all the noise from the construction next door, or whatever's going on there, I don't know. There's about about 8 different people here in the parking lot of Sam's Club. About 3 or 4 van lifers, someone living out of the SUV, of Class A, old Class A. I think the issue with my water, I think I'm out of water, and my gauges are crap. They don't tell me anything useful anymore. Even the freshwater one doesn't tell me useful information. So I think the reason why I didn't have water last night was because I was out of water, not because the water pump wasn't working. I could hear the water pump trying to do something, but I think it's either or the check valve from the water pump. Might be something wrong with that check valve. So I'm out either way. I didn't have water, I didn't have heat, so I was pretty miserable last night. I have reflectix across all the windows so I can make it pretty dark, so the light issue wasn't a big problem. But yeah, cold, no water. So we're taking off. It's now 7 o'clock in the morning. Aim for Eastern Idaho Fairgrounds, where they should have water and electricity available, because it doesn't look like there's any events any further for the rest of the year. So there should be plenty of places for me to stop and stay there for the night.
Shuffling upon the deck, running from our summer debts, crushing in the discotheque at sea. Some magic nightly charges me with the blues, tucked away nicely. Something sound that Vista's missing. Thoughts, conversations only we can share.
Phenomenon. See the white dash lines in the middle of the road and the solid white line on the right. It's hard to see looking in front of me. When I look in the mirror, let's see if I can get this right. Look in the mirror, it's easier to see in the mirror. I would say they need to go back and redo their idea of how they do these white lines, since they're easier to see going in the rear view mirror instead of looking forward.
Tone Traffic Production. Mahogany if you want to, cause you're safe with me, so just stay with me home. Every day is like a holiday. Sleeping if you want, sit, relax, unwind and kick back. So broken, yet I know